Jai Hind everyone. My name is Rudraksh and today is day 2 of my lecturate. So, topic of my lecturate is agriculture and technology. Technology is one of the biggest advantages in current India we have. We can use technology in different sectors. We can use technology in primary sector, we can use technology in tertiary sector, and we can use technology in secondary sector. In primary sector, we came across agriculture and farming. Agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. A large number of population depends on farming for their livelihood. People do this work because there are many particular reasons for like their family background, because they love to do it and they love to give the food throughout the nation. There are lots of kind of technologies that people can use. First is mechanical. People can use tractors, harvesters, and seeds. This will increase the area that a farmer could do in a less time. They can easily harvest the whole area and within less time and with less physical labor. They can use different types of government schemes. They can use different kinds of harvesting systems. They can use seeds that takes less water and grows faster, and also they can use some of the greatest advantages and some technology developments also. They can go to the government websites. Throughout they can check weathering conditions and also government schemes and the best rates across the market. That's why they can't take wrong decisions and earn more. That's why they make happy and grow more, because a farmer doesn't need anything, just a valuable money and the respect by the nation. So, can we do that? Yes, we can do. We can give them a proper respect and we can give them a proper resources. Nowadays, there are lots of kinds of technologies. They can use drones. Drones are the most specialized way so that they can spray fertilizers and lots of things to their agriculture area in a precise manner. This can save their resources and a lots of things that can use later. So, in conclusion, I would like to say agriculture is not just a department, it's the need of the nation. Technology is must. We can use technology to enhance our performances and enhance our agriculture area. That's why we can develop a great GDP in our nation. There are many reasons why lots of people are unable to use: lack of information and lack of technology usage. The government, I will request you, so do it and make schemes and training departments so that